Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Start with a quick network test, ping and trace route, to verify reachability and immediately collect server and application logs for the rejection window. While you do that, check TLS certificates and DNS resolution so you don't chase a false problem. If access is blocked, inspect firewall and allow lists. Otherwise, capture a packet trace and note exact error codes to guide the next phase. Once logs and traces are ready, you will map the rejection path step by step. Start by correlating the error code to server and middleware entries so you know which component refused the connection. Then analyze the transport layer. Look for TCP resets, TLS handshake failures, or HTTP 4xx/5xx responses to determine where the drop occurs. Reproduce the failure with curl or a client simulator, changing headers and creds to isolate client-side versus server. Now apply the fix you identified and verify it works end-to-end. Update configuration or access control entries, rotate or renew certificates if needed, and restart only the affected services to minimize disruption. Then run a full verification using the original client and a synthetic test, watching logs for successful handshakes and absence of rejection codes. If the issue persists, roll back the last change, enable verbose logging, and collect fresh traces so you can escalate with precise evidence rather than guesswork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.